Learn Excel from Mr. Excel Podcast, episode 2412. Holy smokes, this is awesome. Show Changes is new in Excel. This wasn't even on my radar. I didn't know they were working on this. I got a note that said that this is going to go GA, general availability soon. So sometime in June 2021, I have it. The file has to be saved to OneDrive, and then you open it in Excel Online, and there's a new option now to see all of the changes. I can't believe how cool this is. All right, so check this out. I created this file yesterday. And at 7:09 p.m., I filled in this row. 7:10 p.m., I saved it to my OneDrive. And then I typed some data. This. And here, right now, it's the next day. So today is Monday. And I'll type this. And this is at 10:14 a.m. And then I'll come over here and just put in some stuff equal row times column. All right. Now, I can't see the changes here in Win32 on the desktop version of Excel. But if I go out and open this file in Excel Online, you see it's already open in Excel Online, discover new changes, and here on the Review tab, there is something called Show Changes. Oh my God, it's amazing. All right, so just now, Bill Jelen edited E5 to G19, that whole range right there, and I can see the changes, and it'll open it up. Or hide those changes, and then here at 10:14 a.m., that's when I changed this cell at and this cell where I typed this and where I typed today is Monday. It goes all the way back to yesterday, right after I saved to OneDrive. So there, 7:10 p.m., and even typing I saved to OneDrive, that must have been right the first thing I did after I saved to OneDrive. This is wild. You can filter to see just things from this workbook, a particular sheet, a particular range. I think you can even come to a cell and say, when did this change? Like here, this 345, I should be able to right click, show changes, and it'll show me the history of that cell. This is crazy. Now, look, I realize not a lot of people use Excel Online, but this will drive me to Excel Online. I'm going to work in Win32. I'm going to work on the desktop. But then if I want history, I can figure it out. Let me show you how amazing this is. All right, so here I am back in Win32. Control-N, completely new workbook. At this point, it's not saved to OneDrive, so they don't know where it's going to go. But I'll save it to OneDrive. All right, save. We're good to go. Any changes that happen now should be logged. I can come down here. I can type stuff, 234, 567, 890. I can put in some formulas, equal this times 2. Copy that down, right? Oh, and let's turn on autosave. I have that turned off, right? And then some more changes, so equal that raised to the 1.1 power. Oh, shoot, I should have rounded that, equal round, comma 0. All right, so this thing is living here in Win32. I'm using Win32. I'm happy with it. I close it, file close. And now I'm going to go to Excel Online. In recent, another show changes example, right? Looks just like it looked in Win32, but when I come here to review and show changes, it's a complete history of the spreadsheet. Here, these cells, right click, show changes, and so it shows where I did the round, and then before that, I put in the formula. Look at this, every single change, every single screw up. Your manager's gonna be able to see everything you screw up and what you fixed. Oh my God. Hey, another question I thought of. So remember this was 234 and this is 2 times 234. I changed this to 567, which changes this to 1134. Does that change get logged? No, it doesn't because I didn't change the formula. So I right click here and show changes. It just shows the change I made an hour ago where I typed in the formula, not the fact that this formula changed as a result of some other input cell. Good to know. This actually opens up more questions than it answers, right? Check this out. A great new feature that's coming to Excel Online first, but it will really help all of your documents. Even if you're working in Win32 and saving them to OneDrive, you'll be able to come and get this complete history. How long do they keep it? I'm not sure. Try and figure that out. Yet another feature that makes this book obsolete. I'll have to update this book. Mr. Excel 2021 has all kinds of other great features in Excel. Click that eye in the top right-hand corner. Hey, if you like these videos, please down below, like, subscribe, and ring that bell. Feel free to post any questions or comments down in the YouTube comments below. I want to thank you for stopping by. We'll see you next time for another Netcast. Mr. Excel.